6 minus 3 gives us 3. And again, 6 minus 3 gives us 3. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. But this answer is wrong. And some people solve this problem differently. We are going to see how these answers are going to be wrong and what would be the right answer. So these people go left to right. So what they do is essentially they start by subtracting 3 from 6 and they end at this equation, and they do it like this. So 6 minus 3 gives 3, right? And 3 is going to be multiplied by 6, which gives 18, and 18 minus 3 is equal to 5. But again, this answer is not correct. It is wrong. These two answers are wrong, not because we did a mistake in the calculation, but because they don't follow the right order of operation when they are get solved, right? So we have to do the right arithmetic order, right? So here I will introduce you the order of operation, PEMDAS. So this is an acronym where every letter stands for something. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So the rule states that parentheses are the first thing to solve. Parentheses are brackets you see in maths like this, or like these brackets, or curvy fancy parentheses looking grouping. All of these are called parentheses and they should be solved first, right? So here I'm going to write their priority. The first thing to solve is parentheses, the second thing to solve is exponent, and then the third thing to solve is multiplication and division. But be careful, for multiplication and division we have to solve left to right. We have to solve the equation left to right. So if we have 10 divided by 2 times 5, here we have division and multiplication. They have equal priority, right? Since they have equal priority, we have to solve the equation left to right, starting from left, and then we are going to finish at the right, right? So this means we have to solve whichever comes first. And for addition and subtraction, it is going to be the same thing. Addition and subtraction have fourth priority, and they are solved after we solve the multiplication and division. So the thing is, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, because multiplication have a greater priority than subtraction. Okay, then after all of this explanation, let's go back into our problem and solve the problem. So 6 minus 3 is not going to be the first operation we should do, right? The first thing to do is the multiplication, since multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, and then we are going to move to subtraction, right? Great. So 3 times 6 gives us 18. And now the problem becomes 6 minus 18 minus 3. So now we have to do left to right. We have to subtraction. Since it's subtraction, we can do left to right. So 6 minus 18 is negative 12, and negative 12 minus 3 is going to be negative 15, and the final answer to this question is negative 50.